How to pay a Chime credit card bill. So log in to your Chime account through the Chime mobile banking app or website. If Chime has a credit card product, navigate to the section of the app or website related to credit cards or payments. Look for an option to make a payment or pay your credit card bill. This might involve selecting a payment amount, choosing a source of for the payment, and specifying the payment date. Chime may allow you to link external bank accounts or use funds from your Chime account. Choose the payment method that suits you best. Enter the necessary details, including the payment amount and the account from which you want to make the payment. Review the payment details for accuracy and confirm the payment. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.